Ticks are pesky parasites that can cause harm to your furry friends. To keep your dogs tick-free, follow these simple steps. First, regularly inspect your dog's fur for any signs of ticks. Pay attention to areas such as the ears, neck, and armpits. If you spot a tick, use a pair of fine-tipped tweezers to remove it. Grasp the tick as close to the skin as possible and pull steadily upwards. Be careful not to twist or squeeze the tick, as this could leave the mouthparts behind. Once the tick is removed, clean the area with antiseptic to prevent infection. If your dog has multiple ticks or they are deeply embedded, it's best to consult a veterinarian. To prevent ticks, use tick prevention products recommended by your vet. These can include spot-on treatments, collars, or oral medications. Ensure that you follow the instructions carefully when using these products. Regularly grooming your dog can also help in tick prevention. Keep your dog's fur short and remove any debris or tangles. Consider using a flea comb to catch any stray ticks. Creating a tick-free environment is crucial. Ticks thrive in grassy and wooded areas, so keep your yard clear of tall grass and brush. Additionally, discourage wildlife like deer and raccoons from entering your yard. Provide your dog with a designated outdoor area to limit exposure to ticks. If your dog frequently ventures into areas with ticks, consider using tick repellent sprays. Tick control starts with keeping your home clean. Regularly vacuum your house and wash your dog's bedding to remove any potential ticks. If you find a tick attached to your dog, don't panic. Remember to stay calm and follow the proper removal procedures. Always keep an eye out for any signs of tick-borne diseases. These can include fever, lethargy, loss of appetite, and joint pain. If you notice any of these symptoms, consult your vet immediately. Remember, prevention is key to protect your beloved furry companion from ticks. By taking proactive steps, you can ensure a happy and healthy life for your dog.